Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down and open Backup and Reset, and now click on Factory Data Reset. And if you truly want to erase everything from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data, click on Reset Phone. And now confirm that you would like to do it by tapping on Erase Everything. Now just patiently wait until your device will automatically wipe itself. It may take a couple of minutes. And that's it. As you can see, your device has been reset. And now you can set everything from the scratch. I will start with changing the brightness, and then you can go with some other settings. So that would be all. This is how you can perform a hard reset on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.